So we've got Marlo from Prestige Carpets up from Victoria to talk to us about their products. Marlo, for people choosing a carpet for the home, why wool?
A number of reasons. It's renewable, sustainable, it's beautiful. Sheep continually grow their wool, so that's how it's renewable. We use New Zealand wool because it's the cleanest, whitest wool in the world and strongest, the best for carpets.
Yes.
It's easy to keep clean. You get most stains out of wool as long as you look after it, like anything. It's just the best there is.
It's so beautiful to touch, and when you look at this range on display, and I would encourage anyone who's considering carpet for their home, you must come down to the Build and Design Centre and have a look at Prestige Carpets. Their wool range is just absolutely spectacular. Marlo, thanks for sparing us some time.
My pleasure.